Hello guys! Ito yung pinakamahirap na tower. Una, ito. Sobrang hirap na, no? Tsaka yun. Ito, para sa akin noon, easy. Natin. Ganon. Yun. Nasaan ba yung kumot mo? Nasa kilwal?
Sipit, Ken. Sipit. Ni Ryan kasi, kukunan ng sipit,
Boom.
Ken.
Boom. Boom. Oh.
Maraming po.
Boom. 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 Ngirap. Mga minute later na tayo dito. Yun. Gagawa ko na.
Wala mo lang sipit, Ken.
Yes! Nagawa ko! Nagawa ko! Nagawa ko! Wow! So, basic lang sa ako. Lang, guys. Bubble jump! Bubble jump! Oh. Ito yung pro, guys. Lang. Wait lang, wala. Oh, ito. Wait lang, naglag eh. Naglag. Oh. Ito na, serious mob. Serious mob. Wait lang, naglalag. Oh, naglalag. Wait lang, naglalag. Yeah. Boy, naglalag. Wait lang. Ah! Lang. Yeah. Tingnan mo. Woo! 3 minutes. Lapang eh. Ayaw ka na. Oh! Nalaglag pa oh.
United Hope for Sulfate Iron. Healthy block para sa healthy flow.
Please. Oh, saan ako pupunta? Lag. Wait lang guys, naglalag.
Number 1 Good Vibe Station, GB 99.1.
Bilisan mo. Oh. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1,
Batusiran Forte, may turok
1,
offering formula
2,
dapat sa
3.
dry ice tapos at di na nalamunan due to wholesale
Kuya
drip
ka
at sa
dyan.
sa kakao
Oo,
also
oo.
available Tusiran Night
And-
Soup.
1, 1.
Not too sweet, not too delicious. Not your 40-minute peanut butter.
Mr. Nuts peanut
Butter comes with different flavors. Non-greasy classic creamy. Zero sugar creamy. Free. And premium crunchy. Nothing better than Mr. Nuts. Butter. Every bite. Rich crunch goodness. Available now in your local general store.
San Miguel Animal Healthcare Beeline. Para sa alagang baboy at manok. Multi-V. Pampalusok. Elec B. Electrolyte Booster. Amexil B. Laban sa infeksyon. Dr. V. California Para B. Para sa na San Miguel Animal Healthcare Beeline. Subok na. Abot kaya pa. Must be prescribed by a veterinarian. Multivitamins is a generic name of Multi-V. Electrolyte is a generic name of Elec B. Amoxicillin Trihydrate is a generic name of Amoxicillin. Cyclin Hydrochloride is a generic name of Dr. V. Paracetamol is the generic name of Para V. San Miguel Animal Healthcare Beeline para sa alagang baboy at manok. Subok na. Abot kaya pa.
Try nga natin mo dito. Doon ako nahihirapan ko. Ano very full.
Magpag-deliver na from any of our DCB branches in Pampanga.
Easy.
Bataan at Bulacan.
Nakataas na ako dun pa ako na yun.
Pagkada o handaan. Eme Pakanan. Delish Cheese Dough. A better pizza.
Tara, let's eat at Shabu Nara. Enjoy authentic Korean food. Experience the unlimited shabu shabu with tender beef, fresh seafood, and grilled samgyeopsal, all with a variety of marinated options. Visit us at SRT Building, Center Street, Clark, Pampanga. Open daily from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Tol, may sakit kaya itong malupit. I got this, Rocky. Ako'y nabinat. Puno ko'y sumakit. Sakit na katawan na may lagtat. Sabay-sabay man ang mga kuan-kuan. Rexido, Forte ang ating idol. Mas bilis ba na sa abad? Faster versus paracetamol in as fast as 30 minutes. Alagang yung lagyan. Paracetamol caffeine is generic name of Rexido Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Rexidol Forte, bilis pa na sa apat.
TV 99.1 goes online. You will never miss your favorite DJ now or online. Just visit www.mixlr.com/GB-991 or download the Mixlr app and search for GB99.1.
Mga kwento nagalaman ko si DJ Kakay. Ang inyong kaakay sa bawat kabanata ng buhay. Sandali, hindi pa ako tapos. Ang buhay ay minsan nakakatawa. Thank you so much, Ava! Nakakalungkot.
Love you kayo eh.
Minsan,
Ano ba? Baby mo ako!
nakakatakot. Minsan, nasa taas.
Lahat ng araw sa inyo.
At minsan,
Itikman ninyo ang batas ng isang apel!
nasa ibaba. Oo, sinabi mo pa. Nandito ako para ibahagi ng iba't ibang kwento para sa inyo. Abangan niyo ako tuwing Lunes hanggang Biyernes, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Dito lang yan sa kaakin ng Good Vibes Station, GB 99.1.
This song is brought to you by United Home for Sulfate Iron, healthy blood para sa healthy glow.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. But it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing makes us feel love.
Mahirap.
We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. Where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can hear me
Hirap naman.
your lips.
can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I said it will get easier, but I put every piece of you. And it's the only thing with us when we die. This love so bright. We made these memories for ourselves, with our eyes never closed. Hearts
Ang hirap.
Anong oras na?
6:48. Thursday. Hirap. Nang